Okay, for this exercise, we're going to be kneeling in front of a solid object. I'm using a box because I'm at the gym, but you can use a chair, coffee table, any sort of like folding chair-esque height solid object. We're gonna have a mini band wrapped around our wrist, and we're going to be working on some shoulder engagement with some spine movement with this exercise. So, to start, a few things that we want to make sure we're being aware of. We're going to be actively tensioning into the band while keeping our elbows from flaring. So from the front, hopefully you can see this. I'm not flaring my elbows or necessarily like super wide with my wrists. I want there to be tension and there to be like a 90-90 shape. So we got like 90 degrees here. We're not out, yes. We're going to be here, some tension on the band, letting our shoulder blades wrap around our rib cage, scooching back, and we're going to start like kind of piked to just get the range of motion for this. You can arch and then hollow, keeping tension on the band. We're not letting our wrists go in, staying nice and engaged. And then you can look just straight forward for this one. If this is too easy, bring your arms more overhead. Same thing, engage in the band, arch, and hollow. If you are a bendier human than I am, and you can maintain tension on the band, you can go into that full overhead position, arch, and hollow from here, as long as you can maintain tension on the band. I would like you to start with the very first one where we're more angled in our shoulders, just to make sure that you understand how to do the exercise. And then I would like you to find your end range, so really your perimeter of this movement, because the back bendiness that we need, the bendier we want to be, the closer we are going to be towards our end range, and how we make that range higher as we like work on getting strong at our end range and then pushing our end range farther and farther. So if you can do this like with ease here, we're only strengthening our shoulders in this position, which is not where we want to be. So really find like right where do you start to lose that tension on the band, go up like an inch, and then work in that position.